Hello folks, finally, you guys ever buy something and they have a warranty, and then whatever it is that you buy, it craps out right after the warranty? Well, it's like life insurance, right? It's like your gamble against them. They say that you're going to die by a certain age, and if you do, then you get all that money for life insurance that you paid. If you don't, then they win and you lose. But finally, look at this. My brake rotors finally went right before the 2 years are up. The front ones, they started to warp and you could feel it in your brake pedal. And I just changed the back just for the sake of changing them. But yeah, the front rotors, they finally went. They went, let's say, 13 days before the warranty was going to expire. 2 years. So most of the time, brakes last for about 2 years. And they usually last right after the 2 years. So now you have to buy brake pads and rotors. But this time, it was the rotors that went bad. And I replaced them under warranty. So that was $220 just for the rotors alone. And I just put out the $60, $65 for a new set of brake pads. All right, because when you change the rotors, you got to change the pads. When you change the pads, you change the rotors. All right, so yeah, I got them this time, finally, after all these years. Something actually failed under warranty, and I got coverage. Thanks for watching.